The emergency room patient experience surveys were created in order to get feedback from patients who were received by a hospital emergency department, treated and discharged after their treatment was over. Given that emergency rooms entail urgency, this is also the opportunity for patients to share their experience not with just the treatment itself, but with doctors and nurses who are present for their case. Feedback from patients is valuable given that they can provide opportunities to see what a hospital's emergency department is doing well, as well as what they can improve in order to make future patients' experiences in the emergency room better. Here at Carepatron, we have an emergency room patient survey template that you can use for your practice. Anyone working in a hospital or clinic's emergency department can use this survey. Always remember to hand this to the patient or their companion before they leave the premise, or email them if that's more convenient for both you and the patient. To use our patient experience survey, follow these steps. Download our free patient experience survey from off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, after a patient finishes their stay in an emergency room and gets discharged, you may issue the survey to them or their relatives who took them to the hospital. Have them answer it and mail it back to your hospital, or email it back to you if you have sent it online. Next, all the patient needs to do is answer several questions concerning their short journey in the emergency department. All they need to do is tick one of the checkboxes per question. Examples of some of the questions are: did you get cared for within 30 minutes upon arriving at the emergency department? During your visit, how often did nurses listen to you? Did they explain to you what the medicine's for? Lastly, there is an additional comment section where patients can talk about their answers or add any suggestions. Here is a sample of our emergency patient experience survey from our Carepatron platform. To find our patient survey, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patient. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.